Today is January 24th, Saturday, 2026, at Saturday. And hindi kami required mag-on-site. But I still chose to go to the office. Parang dalawa lang kami sa buong floor. Currently, it's 7:21. I like the view. Kakain na. Oo, baba lang ako sa pantry. And hopefully, may food. Excuse my face. My voice. Naglagay lang ako ng pimple fix. Pimple yung bata ako tayo. Wala masyadong ginawa today kasi nag-work from home ako and then wala na akong ginawa buong araw. And right now, ako ay nag-journal and inisip ko kung anong mga pwede ko ilagay. Tapos look at this. This is I'd rather be watching Friends journal. Journal? No, planner. Ito, binili ko. Small lang, cute lang. I'm watching American Horror Stories. Yun lang. Nanonood lang ako tapos natutulog na din. So, good night. See you. Good morning. It's dark outside. It's 5:22. Mga ganon. Look at my outfit first. Babae. Marangalin muna tayo for today's video. Time check. 5:40 na. Sa KM.
This is considered big, but still, it's
The first responsibility kasi parang may kulang yun ang
positive side.
parang ano,
Parang gusto niya.
na hindi na-address.
Going home. Hindi makalabas. Cookie!